Hello friends, today I'll show you how to cook fennel bulb with rice vermicelli. It's delicious, easy, quick, and fennel bulb has a licorice flavor, but also it helps with digestion. First, cut the fennel bulb into 4 quarters and also the stems. Then put them in a boiling water, cover, turn off the heat and let them sit for 1 minute. Then take them out and use the same water to cook rice vermicelli. Cook according to directions, either 2 minutes or 5 minutes, then strain it and rinse it well with cold water. Set it aside until time to use it. I'm using 1/8 cup olive oil and always use good quality olive oil. First, I will saute fennel bulbs on all sides until it's brown. After you take them out, use the same oil to cook green onion and bell pepper. Use as many colors as you like. Cook for a few minutes. Now add the fennel bulbs back and cook for few minutes again. But first add little bit of black pepper and salt. Then put rice vermicelli back and cook for 2 or 3 minutes, and that's it, done. Now, tasting time. It's full of flavor and colorful. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.